Hello all, Joe Pannone here with a very short overview of CWDash. You see that it's running here, already have it set up, already have it installed. We have it running without the ads here just for demonstration purposes. Go into these separate areas here to see the different panels or dashboards. We call them panels internally. We've kind of divided them by discipline or by department. Generally, dispatch uses these panels, operations uses these, management uses those, etc. You notice that if you go on operations or any one of them, you click the right mouse button, you can add it to favorites, so it'll show up here in the favorites area. Some great panels to take a look at. You should look at right away. Open tickets by company, by each of your clients. How many is acceptable? Now you'll notice that once you have this here, there is this option. Every panel, every dashboard's got this little blue submenu with great options, and one of them, of course, is select boards. Generally, you would do this with every panel. Go through here and select your service boards. See if you want to include child tickets. Click OK. Don't worry about redoing it. CWDash will memorize all the configuration that you've had. It'll save it in one config file on your CWDash folder. Remember, there's no local database. It's making read-only calls to your ConnectWise database. So assemble this the way you like it. Of course, you can remove the menu and you can have other options. You can sort it. There's all these, see the video if there's a video for it. You can resize this and shape it the way you want it. Another great one under dispatch is open tickets by member, by each technician. Right now I only have one there being displayed, but again, go through and change the service boards or actually select the members you want to see. So position the way you want it to see it. So I invite you to go through the different options, look at the products, 10 years old now, very mature. Go through, see what panels are great for you and install them. And don't forget, you get the license key, install as many workstations as you want throughout the MSP. You don't have to re-download it. And please enjoy. Let us know if we can help. Sales@cwdash.com. This is Joe Pannone signing off.